Varanasi. The place is called Avimukta Kshetra, never forsaken, originally called as Anandavana. This city is older than history itself, older than legends itself. Mahadeva settled here when he was carrying the human body. This is the first city Mahadeva created, and this is where he started teaching the great science of enlightenment to the world. Life starts when you start authentic listening, hearing and cognizing. These two put together is listening. Don't think after the incompletions are gone you will start listening. Start listening, the incompletions will be gone. Past thoughts, emotions, patterns, hangovers, residues sitting in the present and suffocating you, not letting you live your future, is incompletion.
Varanasi is the only place for eternal liberation, and I got it as cooking.
Place carries that energy. So when you do the same action in that place, the energy of that place supports you. The gap between inner image and outer image is the self-doubt. The gap between outer image and others' image is self-hatred. The gap between others' image and life image is self-denial. Please understand, every desire is a word you give it to you. So if you give a word, you have to fulfill, honor, or you have to withdraw.
This is my third IA, and I'll say that it's an upgrade in software, absolutely.
First I started with listening 5 long days before. Then asked you to provide listening to you. Then I provided listening to you. Then completion. Then completion with your inner space means identity. Then completion with your words. Then completion with your walk. Today morning, integrity. Then completion with your feeling, responsibility. Now, completion in your life. Completion in your life happens by enriching.
Integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching happens in your life, the whole world stops to work for you.
I'll be running so late to a class. Somehow, if I said I'll be there at 4:30, if that's in half an hour before the class starts, I'm there at 4:30. And it's like a miracle. I feel like time stops.
With what you hold the people around you is your root pattern. Whatever you maintain with people around you, you will be made to maintain that. It's a law of life. If you maintain a joy with people around you, you will be made to maintain joy inside you. If you maintain trust with people around you, you will be made to maintain trust inside you. Now with this space of completion with others, with yourself, with this space of completion, can we scan our life and identify what we want from the life now? Now whatever you are going to write, we are going to make that into reality. I am going to be your co-creator.
I just feel so much of love coming from everyone.
This process has been incredible. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That the migraine, what I had these many days, had gone completely.
Actually asked Swamiji to heal my eyes, and today I was, wow, it really happened.
I used to have, I would call it a restlessness between the shoulder blade in the back. It's gone. It disappeared. In less than an hour, I don't feel it.
Bless you all. The space you created, let it become reality. The space you hold on, let it become reality. Tatastu, tatastu, tatastu.